What?
You should have been on Shockwave. It was fun.
Mom's too old.
Or Batman. That was like awesome.
We need to go on that Tony Hawk's ride though, so I could do her face.
Yeah.
Get it. Leave me alone.
Oh, what's wrong?
Get it. Leave it. Here we go. Landon, reach up. Whoa. There's the water. Here we go. Everybody get ready. Go forward.
What are we on, Maddie?
We are on the Runaway Mine Train. And my mom's tipping this for my discomfort.
There you go.
Here we go. Here we go. Ready? Here we go. And woohoo! Here we go! Here we go! We're gonna jump! We're gonna jump!
Why? Why do they have that?
No, they go like this! Here we go! Here we go! Ready, everyone? Look, down there! Woohoo! This is our third time to Six Flags. Which is really, really fun, isn't it? Oh, we're about to meet some people. And a hole. A giant hole.
Okay, she's giving a play-by-play. Ready?
Here we go!
Right?